Hello, welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise 3.6 from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you liked my class and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notifications also. If you have any doubts, you can ask that as comments. Okay, so let us start now. And the first question is, solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. That is the question. And the first one is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y equal to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y equal to 13 by 6. Now we can write this as, that is, we have 1 by x here. So we can take u as 1 by x and v as 1 by y. So when we take u as 1 by x and v as 1 by y, we will get this as first equation as 1 by 2 into u, which means it is u by 2, plus 1 by 3 into v, that is v by 3 is equal to 2. Right? So we got first one as u by 2 plus v by 3 equal to 2. And we can add these two fractions, u by 2 and v by 3. So we will get 3u plus 2v by 6 is equal to 2. Which means 3u plus 2v, cross multiply this. 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. This is the first equation. Okay, now second one. We can write this as 1 and 2. And this is the simplified form of the first equation. Now, next one. We are taking u as 1 by x. So, 1 by 3u, which means u by 3 plus v by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Now, we can add this. So, we will get 2u plus 3v by 6 is equal to 13 by 6, which means 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. This is equation 2. That is 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. This is equation 2. Now we can solve this by any of substitution, elimination or cross multiplication method. We'll do this by cross multiplication. We'll try and see whether we can get this by cross multiplication method. So we can write this as u, v and 1, and this has to be taken as minus 12 equal to 0 and minus 13 equal to 0. Now a1 and a2 are 3, 2, b1 and b2 are 2, 3 and c1 and c2 are minus 12 and minus 13. Now u by, don't take this column and multiply in this order, that is this first then minus of this. So 2 into minus 13 is minus 26, minus of minus 12 into 3 is minus 36, which is equal to v by, now don't take this column and take this first, minus 12 into 2 is minus 24, minus 13 into 3 is minus 39, and that is equal to 1 by, when you are taking this, don't take this column and multiply this in this order, 3 into 3 9, minus 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, now we will get this as u by minus 26 plus 36. Minus of minus 36 is plus 36, which is 10. So u by 10 is equal to v by minus 24 plus 39, which is 15. And this is equal to 1 by 5. Now equate this. U by 10 is equal to 1 by 5, which means u is equal to 10 by 5, which is equal to 2, and v by 15 is equal to 1 by 5, which means v equal to 15 by 5, and that is equal to 3. So we got u and v, and we have to convert it into x and y, right? And we know that u is equal to 1 by x, that is 2 is equal to 1 by x. That is 1 by x is equal to 2, which means 2x cross multiplying we will get 2x equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 1 by 2. And we know that v equal to 3. That is 1 by y is equal to 3, which means y is equal to 1 by 3. So the value of x is 1 by 2 and the value of y is 1 by 3. Next one, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y equal to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. So we can take 1 by root x as u equal to 1 by root x and v is equal to 1 by root y. So this first equation will become 2u plus 3v is equal to 2. And second equation will become 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. This is first equation and this is second equation. Now we can solve this. We can do this by elimination method. So we can multiply this by 2. We will get 4u plus 6v is equal to 4. Now subtract this. So 4u and 4u. 4u minus 4u is 0. Then minus 9v. We are subtracting this. So minus 9v minus 6v is minus 15v and that is equal to minus 1 minus 4 which is minus 5. So v is equal to minus 5 by minus 15 which is equal to 1 by 3. So we got the value of v. Now we can solve for u. So this we can put the value of v in equation 1 which will give 2u plus 3 into 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Which means 2u plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2u is equal to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. So u is equal to 1 by 2. So we got u as 1 by 2 and v as 1 by 3. We should not stop here. That is we have u is equal to 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by root x. So root x 1 by root x equal to 1 by 2 means root x equal to 2. So x we can square this. X means it is square of this. So we have to square this also. So x is equal to 4. So the value of x here is 4. And we have v equal to 1 by 3. v equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by root y. So root y is equal to 3 which means root of y square is y. Y is equal to 3 square which is equal to 9. So the value of x here is 4 and y is 9. Next one, 4 by x plus 3y equal to 14 and 3 by x minus 4y equal to 23. So we can take u is equal to 1 by x. We don't have to take v because it is in the general normal form itself. So u equal to 1 by x which means 4u plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we can solve this by, it is easy to solve this by elimination method I think. So multiply this by 3 and multiply this by 4. We will get 12u plus 9y is equal to 3 into 14 is 42 and when we multiply this by 4 we will get 12u minus 16y is equal to 23 into 4 is 92. So subtract this. We will get 9 minus 16 is, that is 9 minus of minus 16. It is 9 plus 16 which is 25. So 25y is equal to 42 minus 92 which is minus 50. So we got the value of y as minus 50 by 25 which is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find this u. So 4u plus y is minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 is equal to 14. So 4u 4. This is 4. 4u is equal to 14 plus 6, which is equal to 20. So what is u? U is equal to 20 by 4, which is equal to 5. So we got the value of u as 5. Now u is equal to 1 by x. So u is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to 5. So x is equal to, that is 5x. When we cross multiply this, we will get 5x equal to 1, which means x equal to 1 by 5. So the value of x is 1 by 5 and y is minus 2. Next one, 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. So we can take u as 1 by x minus 1 and v as 1 by y minus 2. Right? So we will get this equation as 5u plus v. 1v is v is equal to 2. This is equation 1 and this is 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Now we can solve this by elimination method or cross multiplication method. We will solve it by cross multiplication method. So this is minus 2 equal to 0 and this is minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have u, v and 1, 5, 6, 1, minus 3 and minus 2, minus 1. So u by, don't take this column and multiply this. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 and minus of minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6, right? So minus 1 minus 6 is equal to v by, don't take this column and multiply this, cross multiply this in the reverse order. Minus 2 into 6 is minus 12, then minus 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 is equal to 1 by, don't take this column and multiply this in the same order, that is what we normally do. So 5 into minus 3 is minus 15, then minus 1 into 6 is 6. So we have u by minus 7 is equal to v by minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7, which is equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. So equate this. U by minus 7 is equal to 1 by minus 21, which means u is equal to minus 7 by minus 21, which is equal to 1 by 3. So we got the value of u as 1 by 3 and v by minus 7 is equal to 1 by minus 21, which means v is equal to minus 7 by minus 21, which is equal to 1 by 3. So we got the value of u and v as 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Now we have u is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by x minus 1, right? So 3 equal to x minus 1. So we can equate the denominator. So we can write it as x minus 1 equal to 3, which means x equal to 1 plus 3 and that is equal to 4. So we got the value of x as 4. Now we have v is equal to 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by y minus 2. 1 by y minus 2. So we can do the same thing, that is y minus 2 is equal to 3, which means y is equal to 2 plus 3 and that is equal to 5. So the value of x here is 4 and y is 5. Next one, 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. So we can take this as 7x by xy, that is we can split this. 7x by xy minus 2y by xy is equal to 5. Right? So, x and x will get cancelled and y will get cancelled, which means 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Okay. And here also 8x by xy plus 7y by xy is equal to 15, which means 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Now we can take 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So take u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So we will get this, for this equation we will get 7v minus 2u is equal to 5, and for this equation we will get 8v plus 7u is equal to 15. So we have equation 7v minus 2u is equal to 5 and 8v plus 7u is equal to 15. So we have these two equations. Let us name this as equation 1 and equation 2. Now we can solve this by elimination method. Multiply this by 7 and multiply this by 2 so that we can eliminate u. So we'll have 49v minus 14u is equal to 35, and here we have 16v plus 14u is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. Now we can add this. When we add this, this u will get eliminated. So 49v plus 16v is 65v, and this minus 14u plus 14u 0. Then 35 plus 30 is 65. So v is equal to 65 by 65, which is equal to 1. Okay, now we can solve for u. We can solve this from here. So 7v means 7 into 1 minus 2u is equal to 5, which means minus 2u is equal to 5 minus 7, which is equal to minus 2, right? So u is equal to minus 2 by minus 2, which is equal to 1. And u is equal to 1 by x. U is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to 1. So 1 by x is equal to 1 means x is equal to 1. And v is equal to 1 by y. V is equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. So the value of x and y are 1 and 1. Next one, 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. So if we want to reduce this to the normal form of linear equation, we should not have xy here. So we have to divide this by xy, which means we have to divide this left hand side also by xy. And here also same thing, we have to divide by xy. So when you divide by xy, 6x by xy is 6 by y. 6x by xy is 6 by y, and 3y by xy is 3 by x is equal to 6xy by xy is 6. And here we have 2x by xy is 2 by y and 4y by xy is 4 by x is equal to 5. Okay, now we have got this in the form that we have already seen, that is take 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So this equation will become 6v plus 3u is equal to 6 and 2v plus 4u is equal to 5. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we can solve this by elimination method. So multiply this by 3 so that we can eliminate v. So we will get this as 6v plus 12u is equal to 15, right? And this is, so we can write this here, 6v plus 3u is equal to 6, and when we multiply this by 3 we will get 6v plus 4 into 3 is 12. So 12u is equal to 5 into 3, 15. Now subtract this equation 2 from equation 1. So we will get 6v minus 6v is 0 and 3u minus 12u is minus 9u is equal to 6 minus 15, which is minus 9. So u is equal to minus 9 by minus 9, which is equal to 1. And substitute that in this equation. We have we got u is equal to 1. So we can substitute 1 for u. In this equation 1, we will get 6b plus 3 into 1, that is 3, is equal to 6. Which means 6b is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. So v is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the value of u is 1 and v is 1 by 2. And we know that u is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1, which means x equal to 1. And v is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2, which means y is equal to 2. So the value of x here is 1 and y here is 2. Now next one, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4, and 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. So we can take u as 1 by x plus y and v as 1 by x minus y. Now taking this equation, we will have 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. This is first equation, and 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. This is second equation. Now we can solve this by elimination method. So for that we can multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 2. So multiply this by 5 and multiply this by 2. We will get 50u plus 10v is equal to 20, and 30u minus 5 into 2 is 10. V is equal to minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Now we can add this. So we will get 80u, and this is 0, is equal to 20 minus 4, which is 16. So u equal to 16 by 80, which is equal to 1 by 5. So we got the value of u as 1 by 5. Now we can substitute that value in this. So 10 into 1 by 5. 10u. U is 1 by 5. So 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2v is equal to 4. Which means 2 plus 2v is equal to 4. So 2v equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So what is the value of v? V equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So we got the value of u as 1 by 5 and v as 1. U is equal to 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 by x plus y, and v is equal to 1, which is equal to 1 by x minus y. So what is x plus y? X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now we have to solve this. We can solve this by elimination method. Let this be equation 3 and this be equation 4. Now we can subtract this 4 from 3. X minus x is 0 and y minus of minus y, which is y plus y. 2y is equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. So what is the value of y? 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So we got the value of y as 2. So substitute that here. X plus 2 equal to 5 means x equal to 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So the value of x here is 3 and y here is 2. Next one, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. And 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. So we have to reduce this to pair of linear equations. So how will we get this? Take u as 1 by 3x plus y and v as 1 by 3x minus y. So what is the first equation? It is 1 by 3x plus y, which means u plus, this is v. U plus v is equal to 3 by 4. Now when we cross, this is like u by v, u plus v by 1 is equal to 3 by 4. So when we cross multiply this, we will get 4 into u plus v is equal to 3, which means 4u plus 4v is equal to 3. This is the first equation. 4u plus 4v equal to 3. That is the first equation. Now this is 1 by 3x plus y is u, means u by 2 minus, this is v by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. U minus V by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now we can cross multiply this. 8 into U minus V. When we cross multiply this, we will get 8 into U minus V equal to 2 into minus 1, which is minus 2. Right? So, 8U minus 8V is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. And first equation is 4U plus 4V is equal to 3. So, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now, we can multiply this by 2. Right? So, we can eliminate V. So, we will get 8U plus 8V is equal to 6. Now, we can add this. If we add this only, this V term will get eliminated. So, 8U plus 8U is 16U and this is 0 is equal to minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Which means U is equal to 4 by 16 which is equal to 1 by 4. So, we got the value of U as 1 by 4. And we can substitute U here in equation 1. So, 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4V is equal to 3. Which means 1 plus 4V is equal to 3. So, 4V is equal to 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. So, what is the value of V? V equal to 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. So, we got the value of U as 1 by 4 and V as 1 by 2. And what is U? So, we can write U is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 3x plus y. Which means 3x plus y is equal to 4. I am writing it here. 3x plus y is equal to 4. And we have V is equal to 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 3x minus y. So, what is 3x minus y? 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now, let this be equation 3 and this be equation 4. Now, if we add this, we can eliminate y, right? So, adding this, we will get 6x is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So, what is the value of x? 6 by 6 which is equal to 1. Now, substitute that here. So, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus y is equal to 4 which means y is equal to 4 minus 3 which is equal to 1. So, the value of x is 1 and y is 1. Next, second one, first question. Second question is formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and hence find their solutions. First one, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So, let x be the speed of rowing in still water and y be the speed of current. Now, when she is going downstream, she will go easily and her speed will be x plus y. Speed will be more. And when she is going upstream, she will have to apply more force and her speed will decrease. And her speed will be x minus 1. Okay, now time is given. For going downstream, she will go 20 km in 2 hours. And we know that time is equal to distance by speed. Right? So, while going downstream, she will take 2 hours to travel 20 kilometers. So, 2 is equal to 20 by speed is x plus y. Speed of going downstream is x plus y. So, we got 2 equal to 20 by x plus y. Now, cross multiplying we will get 2 into x plus y is equal to 20. Which means x plus y is equal to 20 by 2 and that is equal to 10. So, this is equation 1. X plus y is equal to 10 is equation 1. Now, when she goes upstream, her speed will be x minus y, right? So, she'll take 2 hours to go 4 kilometers. So we have 2 equal to 4 by x minus y, which means 2 into x minus y is equal to 4. So x minus y is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So this is second equation. X minus y is equal to 2 is second equation. Now we can add this and eliminate y. So we will get x plus x is 2x and 10 plus 2 is 12. Which means what is x? X equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So speed of rowing in still water is 6 km per hour. Now we can substitute for x in equation 1 or equation 2. If we put in equation 1, we have 6 plus y is equal to 10, which means y is equal to 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4. So the speed of current is 4 km per hour. Next question, 2 women and 5 men can finish an embroidery work in 4 days, and 3 women and 6 men together will finish the work in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and then the time taken by one man alone to finish the work. Okay, let x be the number of days taken by one woman to finish the work, and y be the number of days taken by one man to finish the work. Okay, so one woman will finish the work in x days and one man will finish the work in y days. So in one day, how much work will be completed by one woman? 1 by x of the work will be completed, right? That is, in one day, 1 by x of the work will be completed by one woman, and in one day, 1 by y of the work will be completed by one man, right? So 2 women will complete how many work in one day? 2 by x, and 5 men will complete 5 by y of the work in one day, right? And so this is equal to 4 days. 2 women and 5 men can complete a work in 4 days. So, in one day, 2 women and 5 men will do how much work? 1 by 4 of the work. That is, in one day. They will take 4 days to complete a work. They both together. So, in one day, they will complete only 1 by 4 of the work, right? So 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. This is the first equation. And similarly, we have 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can solve this. Take u is equal to 1 by x and v is equal to 1 by y. So we will get 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4 and 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can cross multiply this and get the first equation as that is multiply this by 4. We will get 8u plus 4 into 5 is 20. 20v is equal to 1. This is the first equation, and here also cross multiplying we will get 9u plus 18v is equal to 1. This is the second equation. So we have 8u plus 20v is equal to 1 and 9u plus 18v is equal to 1. So we can write this as minus 1 is equal to 0 and this 0. Now we can solve this by cross multiplication method. So we have 8, 20 minus 1, 9, 18 and minus 1. Now u by, take this. 20 into minus 1 is minus 20. Minus of minus 1 into 18 is minus 18 is equal to v by. Don't take this column and multiply this in the reverse order. Minus 9 minus of minus 8 is equal to 1 by, take this. 8 into 18 is 144, right? This is 8 into 8, 64. 6 carry 6 plus 8 is 14. So 144. Then minus 20 into 9 is 180. Now we have u by minus 20 plus 18. This is minus 20 plus 18, which is minus 2. U by minus 2 is equal to 1 by 144 minus 180 is 36, which means u is equal to minus 2 by 36, and that is equal to minus 1 by 18. So we got u as, this is minus 36. 1 by 144 minus 180 is minus 36, right? So this is minus 1 by minus 36. That is minus 1 by 36. Now u is equal to minus 2 by minus 36, which is equal to 1 by 18. And here we have v. We can equate this. V by minus 9 plus 8, right? So minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So V by minus 1 is equal to 1 by minus 36. So V is equal to 1 minus 1 by minus 36 is 1 by 36. So we got U as 1 by 18 and V as 1 by 36. Now U is equal to 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18, which means x is equal to 18, right? And v is equal to 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36, which means y is equal to 36. So one woman will finish the work in 18 days and one man will finish the work in 36 days. Understood? Next one, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. 300 kilometers, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train. 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. Remaining by bus. She will take 4 hours. And if she travels 100 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, she will take 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer means 4 hours 10 minutes. So we have to find the speed of train and bus separately. The question is, we have to find the speed of train and bus separately. Let x be the speed of train and y be the speed of bus. And we know that time is given. So we know that time is equal to distance by speed, right? Time is equal to distance by speed. And given that if she travels 60 kilometer by train and remaining by bus, she will take 4 hours. That is 60 kilometer by train, which means distance by speed is time. So 60 by x, speed of train is x. 60 kilometer by train plus remaining by bus. What is the remaining? For traveling 300 kilometers, she will travel 60 kilometers by train and remaining by bus. What is remaining? 240. 240 by y is equal to how many hours she is taking? 4. So this is equal to 4. This is the first equation. And second equation is for traveling 100 kilometers. That is, she will travel 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. That is for 300 kilometers itself. So 100 kilometers by train and what is remaining? 200 is remaining. 300 minus 100 is 200. 200 by y is equal to 4 hours 10 minutes. So we can write it as 10 minutes can be written as 10 by 60, which is 1 by 6. So this is equal to 4 1 by 6 and that is equal to, we can write this as improper fraction. So 25 by 6. Okay, so we got these two equations. Now we can take u as 1 by x and v as 1 by y. So we will get 60u plus 240v is equal to 4, and here we will get 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6. In all these terms, in the first equation, in all these terms, 4 is a factor. So we can divide this by 4. When we divide 60 by 4, we will get 115. So 15u plus 240 by 4 is 60. 60v is equal to 1. And in all these, 25 is a factor in all these terms. So we will get 4u. 100 by 25 is 4 and 200 by 25 is 8. 4u plus 8v is equal to 1 by 6. So, this can be cross multiplied. That is, multiply this by 6. We will get 24u plus 6 8s are 48. 48v is equal to 1. So, we have first equation as 15u plus 60v is equal to 1 and 24u plus 48v is equal to 1. So we got these two equations. Now we can solve this by cross multiplication methods. For that we can write it as minus 1 is equal to 0 and take this one also to the left hand side. So it will become minus 1 equal to 0. Now u, v, 1 and 15, 24, then 60, 48 and minus 1, minus 1. Now u by 60 into minus 1 is minus 60. Then 48 into minus 1 is minus 48. Minus of minus 48 is plus 48 is equal to v by, don't take this column and take this in the reverse order. 24 into minus 1 is minus 24. Then 15 into minus 1 is minus 15. Minus of minus 15 is plus. And it is equal to 1 by 15 into 48. We can do that. 48 into 15 is 720. So 720 minus 24 into 60. 24 into 6. 1440. So this is equal to 1 by 720 minus 1440. Now this is u by minus 12 is equal to v by minus 9 is equal to 1 by 720 minus 1440. That is 1440 minus 720 is minus 720. Now equate this. U by minus 12 is equal to minus 1 by 720. So u is equal to minus 12 into minus 1 by 720, which is equal to 1 by 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72. So 1 by 60. So u is equal to 1 by 60. Now we have to find v. For finding v, we have v by minus 9 is equal to minus 1 by 720, which means v is equal to minus 9 into minus 1 by 720. And 9 will go in 72 8 times. So 80. So we have v is equal to 1 by 80, which means that is, so we have v is equal to 1 by 80. Now we know that u is equal to 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by 60. So what is x? X is equal to 60. That is speed of train. Speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus, that we have v equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 1 by 80. So y is equal to 80 km per hour. That is speed of bus is 80 km per hour. Understood? So we have completed exercise 3.6 from the chapter linear equations in two variables, and we will continue with exercise 3.7 in the next video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And please do like the video if you like my class. And please do share with your friends. Thank you and bye.